Today I wanted to show off a little fidget toy that I designed that uses magnets that are in reverse polarity, so that way they resist against each other. It gives you a nice clicky button, and I've added it to a keychain. I have the model available in Maker World. I'll put the link below in the description. The pieces that you're going to need to build the fidget toy is the prop of the base, the bottom, 4 buttons to go into it, the keychain that's available on Maker World. I designed it to fit a 6mm by 3mm magnet, some glue to glue the magnets in. I also created this base to help you get the pieces put together, and I'll show you how that works in just a minute. I also use my magnet applicator. I'll put a link to this model in the description below, so that way you can use it as well. It makes it really easy to place magnets into 3D prints. And of course, some cardboard to protect whatever surface you're gluing your parts on. Go ahead and put down some cardboard, and then you have my helper here to help build the keychain. Put there. What you want to do is you want to put the top piece onto the helper there. There's a little ring that shows where the keychain attaches to. That should be facing towards the keychain ring holder that's up here, and then you can put your buttons in. When you put your buttons in, you want to make sure that you're putting them in the orientation that you want them. I like to mimic the Xbox controller from the original Xbox, so that's what I have here. And what you're doing is I'm just placing the buttons down inside the cavity here, and then they fall down inside, and that locks in, so that way it's pulling the buttons down and away to make it easier to go through and put these in. And you just drop those in like that. Sometimes it's a little difficult, but that's okay. It's getting them in to get started. And once they're all inside there, you're ready to start putting your magnets in. It takes 8 magnets total to build the fidget toy, and I'm going to be using my magnet applicator. Because all the magnets are going to be facing the same way, you want to use the same polarity for all the magnets that we're placing in this, including the base. If you print out the base, you want to use the same polarity for all this. So I'm using the South Pole, or the negative, and I'm going to be using that on all of the pieces. All you want to do is take and put a small dab of glue down inside each of the cavities where the buttons are. Make sure you put your cap on so you don't spill any glue anywhere. When you're picking up the magnets, it'll automatically align the correct way on the Magnet Applicator Tool. And then you just take that and then you press it down inside the button. Because of the magnets that are inside the base helper, it's actually going to hold the magnets down inside there and keep them from interacting with each other and help you just get everything aligned. Just like that. Here we're adding the magnets to the back of the keychain fidget. Again, I'm using the same polarity as I used for the top, so that way the magnets will resist against each other. I've already put the glue down in here, and I have a magnet that's already on there. All you're going to do is just go through, same way you did for the top, is you're just going to take the magnet and push it down inside the cavity, just like that. Next, we're going to go and put the keychain in. The keychains that come from bamboo have this little metal piece that goes in between the ring like that. Just go ahead and slide that up out of the way because it doesn't fit in the model with it. And then just lay the keychain down inside there, making sure that the ring goes over where the ring goes onto the fidget, just like that. Then you want to add 4 small dabs of glue in the cavity of the top, just like this. And then all you have to do is press it together. When you press it together, the magnets are going to be resisting each other. You want to look for this little ring area that's up here. That lines up with the ring that's on the top there. So as you get that there, what you want to do is get it all lined up like this, and then press down hard. It is going to click down in pretty decent, but once it clicks together, it is finished and it's ready to start using. So that is how you put together my little keychain fidget. You obviously don't have to add the keychain to it if you want. If you don't want to, you can just use it as a plain piece of fidget, just like this, and you can print it in any color combination that you want. So show me in the comments below. Take some pictures of your favorite color combinations of the fidget and let me know how you like it. Thanks.